What is DAX? DAX, or data analysis expression, is used to obtain more information or create data insights from existing data models. DAX is a collection of functions, operators, and values that help us perform advanced calculations and queries on our data. It is a query language native to Microsoft. With the help of DAX formulas, you can create calculated columns, measures, and calculated tables. We will be looking into these as we go further in the course. With the help of DAX formula, we will be creating calculated columns, measures, and calculated tables. Let me quickly give you an idea about what these are. However, you will get a better understanding when we get into creating them. First, let us talk about a calculated column and a measure and do a comparison of these. A calculated column is used for row-level calculation, whereas measure is used when you need an aggregate. A calculated column is added to the current table. Measures are computed at the time of request and are not added to the table. A calculated column consumes memory as it increases the file size. Measure consumes CPU every time it is run to perform calculation. With the help of calculated table, you can filter the data based on a certain criteria, and that data can be created as a new table.